we're fishing for catfish and they are really on the bite. So I want to talk a little bit about the color of the popper that you use when you pop for catfish. You'll see I use a red one here. There's basically two colors that we use. We use a red and a sky blue. The reason for that is that we do not want the catfish to see the popper. Yes, it must be attracted to the noise of the popper, but then it must find the lure that's underneath the popper. So they've got difficulty to see red, and also the sky blue melts and the contrast is very low between the sky and the sky blue. So it's difficult for them to see that on the surface of the water. And that's why we use mostly red and blue poppers when we do popping for catfish.